Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a hat which will have a space for a messy bun or for a ponytail. I am going to use a yarn of this color, a hook of 4.5 mm and a hair elastic. So we are going to begin with slip knot. Now join the yarn into this hair elastic with single crochet. We have to do 60 single crochet around this hair elastic, which would be a correct size for the head of an adult. So complete doing 60 single crochet around this hair elastic and we will meet again when we have completed doing 60 single crochet around this hair elastic. When we have completed 60 single crochet around this hair elastic, we are going to join the stitches on the top of the fourth stitch with slip stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3, yarn over, on the top of the next stitch double crochet 1, on the top of the next stitch double crochet 1, double crochet on the top of the next stitch. So we have to do 1 double crochet on the top of each stitch across the round. So follow the same pattern and complete the round by doing 1 double crochet on the top of each stitch, and we will meet again when this round would be completed. When we have completed 60 double crochet on the top of each single crochet, we have to join these stitches on the top of the third chain of the fourth stitch with slip stitch. Now on the top of the fourth stitch, chain 3, yarn over, into the next stitch, insert the hook from the back around the stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the hook from the back around the next stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, back post double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook from the back around the next stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2. So we have to do back post double crochet on the top of all the stitches across the round. Complete the round and we will meet again when this round would be completed. When the round is complete, we have to join the stitches into the third chain of the fourth stitch with slip stitch. Now on the top of the fourth stitch, chain 1, 2, 3, yarn over, insert the hook from the back around the fourth stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, back post double crochet 1, into the next stitch, back post double crochet 2, into the next stitch, back post double crochet 3. So we have to do back post double crochet on the top of each stitch across the round. Keep on repeating these rounds of back post double crochet to the length you require for your hat. I completed 28 rounds for my hat and the size of the hat is about 8 inches long. Now we are going to begin a bow for the back side of the hat. For this bow, we have to do 61 chains. Now we have to skip 1, 2 and 3 chains. Into the next stitch, double crochet 1, into the next stitch, double crochet 1 into the next stitch, double crochet 1 into the next stitch, double crochet 1. So complete this row by doing 1 double crochet into all the stitches across the row, and we will meet again when this row would be completed. When we have completed this row of double crochet, we have to do chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, flip your work, yarn over, insert the hook from the back to the front, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, front post double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook from the back to the front, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, front post double crochet 2, front post double crochet 3, front post double crochet 4. So complete this row and we will meet again when the crochet would be completed. When this row of front post double crochet is complete, we have to do chain 3, flip our work. Now we have to do back post double crochet. So insert the hook from the back around the stitch, insert the hook in, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again back post double crochet 2, back post double crochet 3, back post double crochet again. So we are going to get this texture from the front. So we have to complete this row and 9 more rows by doing 1 row of front post double crochet and the other row of back post double crochet. So complete these 9 rows and we will meet again when these 9 rows would be completed. When these 12 rows, 1 row of front post double crochet and another row of back post double crochet are complete, we have to turn this pattern like this, and now we have to sew these 3 ends, 1, 2 and 3 with simple stitches. So complete sewing these 3 parts with these simple stitches and we will meet again when we have completed sewing these 3 parts with simple stitches. When all these 3 sides are joined, we have to give it a shape of a bow. So in the middle of this bow, take the yarn needle from one side to another, and now take the yarn around this bow When we are satisfied that we have got the correct shape of the bow, we have to stitch this bow on the top of, on the back of this hat with simple stitches with the help of yarn needle. So complete sewing this bow on the back part of this hat and we will meet again when this hat would be completed. This hat is going to look like this when it will be completed. You can carry this hat with a messy bun on the head or with a ponytail too. This pattern is easy, grows fast, and this can be a very good gifting option too. Thank you so much.